Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up Google Family Link on your child's iPhone. Step 1. Install Google Family Link for parents on your Android or iPhone. Step 2. On your child's iPhone, install Google Family Link for children and teens from the App Store. Step 3. Open the app on your phone and start the setup. Then select Parent when prompted. Step 4. On your child's iPhone, open their Family Link app and sign in using their Google account. Step 5. You will get a unique setup code. Enter it on your device to link both accounts. Step 6. Approve settings like app limits, screen time, and location tracking. Step 7. Finalize the connection and review the controls. And now, you will be able to monitor, restrict, or approve content from your own device. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.